How's it going, guys? I got this cool new app. Well, I guess it's not new. I've been using it for a few months. It's called Bluetooth Tethering Switcher. I don't know if you guys have ever tried to tether with Verizon and you're on an unlimited data plan and you can't. So this is what happens when you go ahead and try to turn it on. So go more, Bluetooth Tethering. It checks for a subscription. It tells you to call Verizon or call customer service to go to the app to cancel it. So there's a cool new app, like I said, that's Bluetooth Tethering Switcher. Go ahead and open it here for you guys. And basically what it does is it enables you to go ahead and bypass that and turn it on. And it has a bunch of other settings. You can have it automatically turn on when the device actually turns on and go from there. So I'll show you guys what it does. So if I have the shortcut already created here. So if I click this tethering, it's going to say Bluetooth Tethering on down here once it's on. And then if I go back into the settings where the tethering is, it's enabled, and it didn't ask me to bypass that. So if I go on to my device here, and if you can see, I have it right now on an airplane mode. So if I try to refresh this, it's not gonna, it says I'm offline. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the settings, just leave this here. I'm gonna go into the settings here, and settings, Bluetooth. I already have it paired, so it's not going to show up. So if I go here, Verizon G3 paired already, internet access, it's going to ask me to connect to the other device. So now if I go back into the web browser where I was at before, go ahead and launch this, refresh, and now the internet's working. So it's as simple as that. You don't even have to go and do any additional settings or anything. Just connect to Bluetooth and do that. If you can see, that's still airplane mode, so no Wi-Fi. It wasn't working before. So if I go ahead and go into, let's go to the Slick Deals app. It's going to go ahead and load. The speeds aren't too fast because it's Bluetooth tethering, but for what I use it for, just to tether my iPod, to check Facebook or go on Twitter, whatever it does, it all does it really easy, so really good. So I'll go ahead and run a couple speed tests on here and show you guys that how it works. And it's finding the location, the server, etc. So I'll go ahead and do this and let it run. So 1 megabyte, 1.5, 1.6. I've gotten it to like 2 or 3 for Bluetooth. That's more than enough for what I use it for, so that's nice. And then once it's done, I believe the upload's like 2 or 3, which is weird that the upload is a lot faster, but that's fine with me. I don't, like I said, I don't use it for very much. I don't use it to upload, just for it to refresh and use it on there. And this works on the G2, the G3, I believe the No. Your mileage may vary on the actual devices, but what I've actually tested it on and then I know that works is the G2, the G3. It worked on the Moto X 4.4.2, but on the latest 4.4.4 it doesn't. So just like I said, go ahead and try it out. You have 2 hours to download the app, and if it doesn't work for you, you can always refund it and get it used. So if I go back in here, show you guys, this is still on. I didn't change anything. Just left it connected like normal. If I go ahead and turn Bluetooth off on here, and then just go back into the app, it's going to give me an error when it tries to refresh. See, no connection. So it's actually working pretty fast, pretty decent. Go ahead to here. It's going to give me a connect. Once I start it, it's going to give me a connection. Should give me a connection error because it wasn't loaded. And if I go back in here, just to show you guys that I didn't do anything additional. So Bluetooth, go ahead and turn the data on here. Go back into the app. And it might take a while, but I'll go back in here and it's working. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you know somebody who's on Verizon and has unlimited data and doesn't need very fast Wi-Fi tethering, Bluetooth tethering does it more than enough. Have them check this video out. If they haven't subscribed, they can subscribe to it, and I'd really appreciate it. And thanks for watching, you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.